Hi guys. I have a new lesson for us. It's still going to be reinforcing that letter E, which says eh, but there's going to be some new things mixed in as well. So we'll start with our phonogram cards. I'll go through two of them with you, and then I'll just keep scrolling, and you guys do the rest. You're going to say the name of the letter and then the sound that it makes. I also wanted to remind you before we get started that if you want time to work or you just need to go to the bathroom or something, you can hit the space bar and it will pause the video, and then when you get back, hit it again and it will make the video keep going. Okay, so here we go. We have P, B, B. Okay, and here comes our vowels. We know that because of the green color, and they make different sounds. So here we go. Oh, that one got cut off, but we know that this is our key word for the eh sound, or the letter E, and this says E, eh. Okay, good job, guys. Okay, we've got more of a warm up. These are our decodable word cards. This set is all going to have that letter E that says eh. So if you can't read the word right away, you can decode these words. So like this word, we could see that E is in the middle and it says eh. M is the first sound and it says and N is the last sound and it says n. Put it together, men. All right, here we go. All right, so that's the end. I noticed that they tried to get a little tricky. That word end, which had the short E sound at the beginning of the word, so it was n, d. And then this word is went, and it has 4 sounds. It says w, n, t, went. All right, nice work. All right, so I'm going to do this whole thing with you, mostly because you do not have the little green and white puff balls that we use in class. So I just created some circles that are white and green. So white is consonant, green is vowel, and there's a line down the sheets in the middle because we are going to be doing 2-syllable words. If we were together in class, I could write a word that is similar to some of the words that we're going to be saying, but I don't. So I will just do all of these with you and see first if you can figure it out, and then second, I will tell you the answer. Okay, so all of these words, they have 2 syllables. So those are those words that we can clap out the syllables. And also, all of these words have 2 of the same letter in the middle of the word. You wouldn't know that unless you studied these words. Otherwise, you would continue to write it with just one of those letters, and you just wouldn't know that rule. So we are going to go through it together, like I said. So our first word is mitten, mitten, and we're going to clap out the syllables. Mitten. That sounds weird, doesn't it? Let's see if we can spell it out with our little circles. So I have that's a vowel. So that says it. And then we have to do the other half, which was 10. So we have Okay, see if you guys can spell that. Okay, so our first syllable, this first little consonant it's an M for mitten. Our vowel is I, that's I. And the other consonant in the first syllable is N. And then the second syllable is T. The vowel is E. And the last consonant is N, letter N. See how that works? Kind of cool. Okay, so now I'm only going to do this on a couple of the words that I think you can handle, because this is a new thing that we're doing with the 2 syllables. So let's see if we can use that word mitten, say mitten, and change it to kitten. So did we have to do anything to this white circle here representing a consonant? No, because M and K are both consonants, so that doesn't have to change. And that just shows how you could just leave this here to help you as long as you had sounded out all of the little circles, and you could still just change out that first one, and you get a whole new word. Okay, so this one is a little tricky here. Let me get these circles out of here. Okay, so the next word I'm going to give you is the word pepper. Remember I said all these words, the middle letters repeat. So they're the same letter twice. So pepper, if we clap it out, says pepper. Okay, so let's put these here. We have our first consonant, P, and our vowel, E. And then our next consonant is another P for P, E, P, pep. Now we have to do the second syllable, which is purr. So we'll take another consonant for P. And then remember when we talked about in class the vowel controlled R? So it's always sort of tricky to figure out what vowel is making the R say It could be IR, OR, AR. In this case, it is ER. So we'll put a green for and a white for even though that really doesn't say when we say it, does it? But it is still a short vowel. So we have p, See how ER, that's that vowel controlled R, they go together. All right, let's see if we can leave this the same and do a totally different name. Let's try muffin. Remembering that those two consonants in the middle are going to be doubled. So we would have muff, and fin. So that is muffin. And that works. So see if you can spell that. All right, nice job. I'm going to leave it the same again because I have a prediction here that these are going to be the same. So our last word is letter. Letter. And we have our first consonant, O, then E, T, let, and then we have T, another vowel controlled R. We really can't make sense of this or sound it out. We just have to learn that it's just a vowel controlled R. So, yeah, we'll have to try to take a guess. So, excellent job on that, you guys. We're going to get moving on to the next video. I'll see you in a second.